Here you go, Beta.
Wow, thanks, Mom.
This is the best. I'm serious.
Here you go. Eat it while it's hot.
This is the best Maggi ever.
The elasticity seems optimal on this batch.
Yes, moisture content is exactly 30%.
The flow rate on line 3 is stabilizing. Good. We should increase the output by 10%.
The consistency is perfect at this speed.
Yes, the rollers are synchronized well. Check the humidity levels on chamber 3. It's holding steady at 90%, and let's increase the flow rate.
Instant noodles are packaged for maximum longevity. A closer look reveals the distinct textural differences between the wavy ramen and the straight vermicelli.
Yay, Maggie, I'm so hungry. He just loves it so much. We've got a damaged unit on line 4. Stop the press. Yes, and... While the artisanal method offers control, large-scale production relies...
Should we try the new chili flavor or stick to the classic?
Let's get both, but definitely more of the classic.
Finally dice your vegetables. Now let that simmer until it thickens, and finally, we plate with a garnish of fresh herbs.
This digital board shows the complex journey from raw ingredients to finished products, like these chocolate bars, or the chips and cola we enjoy every day.